Let's be honest, buying a sewing machine in 2026 can be a total nightmare. With so many fancy features and soaring prices, how do you know if you're getting a high-tech masterpiece or just an overpriced paperweight? Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today, we've done the heavy lifting for you. We've tested and compared dozens of models to bring you the top 5 best sewing machines of 2026, ranging from affordable entry-level gems to professional powerhouses. There's a perfect match here for every budget. Before we dive into our number 5 pick, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment about what you're currently sewing, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best home gear reviews. First up is the Innov-is A16. Here are some advantages of the Innov-is A16. Easy-to-use jog dial. This machine features an electronic jog dial that allows you to quickly cycle through 16 built-in stitches with a simple turn, making selection effortless even for beginners. Advanced one-action needle threader. It eliminates eye strain and frustration with a sophisticated threading system. You can thread the needle literally in seconds with just a single touch of a lever. Superior fabric handling. Equipped with a 7-point feed dog system and a level presser foot button, it maintains smooth, consistent stitching when transitioning across varying fabric thicknesses or tough seams. Lock stitch and start-stop button. It offers professional finishes with an automated reinforcement stitch at the beginning and end of seams, plus the flexibility to sew without a foot pedal using the digital start-stop control. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Here are some advantages of the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. High-speed stitching. This machine is a true workhorse, capable of reaching a professional sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, allowing you to complete your projects much faster than a standard domestic machine. Heavy-duty metal frame. The interior is built with a rigid, heavy-duty metal frame that provides long-lasting durability and ensures the machine remains stable and skip-free, even when working at high speeds. Powerful motor and piercing power. Equipped with a motor that is 60% stronger than standard sewing machines, it provides the extra torque needed to sew through thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather with ease. Stainless steel bed plate. The sewing surface is made of smooth stainless steel, which allows fabrics of all types to glide easily across the machine, preventing snagging and ensuring even feeding for high-quality results. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Bernette 38 from Bernina. Here are some advantages of the Bernette 38 from Bernina. Extensive stitch library. As the top-of-the-line model in the Bernette 30 series, it offers a massive selection of 394 different stitches, including decorative, stretch, and 3 different alphabets, providing immense creative flexibility. Automatic thread cutter. It features a convenient automatic thread cutter that clips your top and bobbin threads with a single button press, saving time and reducing thread waste between seams. Adjustable presser foot pressure. This machine allows you to manually adjust the foot pressure, ensuring perfect fabric feed for everything from delicate silks to thick, heavy materials without bunching or slipping. Double needle safety and storage. It includes a double needle button that limits the stitch width to prevent the needle from hitting the presser foot, alongside a built-in memory function to save your favorite stitch combinations for future use. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Singer Supera F687C. Here are some advantages of the Singer Supera F687C. Heavy-duty and high speed. Combining the durability of a heavy-duty metal frame with professional speed, this machine can clock up to 1,100 stitches per minute, making it perfect for tackling large projects and thick fabrics like denim or leather. 568 stitch applications. It offers a massive range of creative options with 568 stitch applications, including decorative, stretch, and utility stitches, plus 2 different lettering fonts to personalize your projects. One-step buttonhole options. This model simplifies garment making by offering 10 different styles of one-step buttonholes, ensuring consistent and professional results every time with a single touch. Enhanced sewing area and features. It features a larger sewing area for bulkier fabrics and includes advanced digital conveniences like a programmable needle up-down button, a built-in needle threader, and an automatic tie-off function for secure seams. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. And fifth, we have the Brother FS40. Here are some advantages of the Brother FS40. Electronic precision and control. As an electronic machine, it offers precise needle control and a digital display that allows you to adjust stitch length and width with accuracy that traditional mechanical machines can't match. Versatile 40 built-in stitches. It comes preloaded with 40 essential utility and decorative stitches, providing the perfect balance of variety for garment construction, home decor, and basic quilting without being overwhelming. Simple quick-set bobbin. The top-loading drop-in bobbin system is designed for ease of use. It is jam-resistant and features a clear cover so you can easily monitor your thread supply while sewing. Speed control slider. This model features a manual speed slider that allows you to limit the maximum sewing speed, which is incredibly helpful for beginners who need more control or for advanced users working on intricate, detailed sections. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best sewing machines of 2026. From budget-friendly gems to advanced professional powerhouses, we truly hope this review helps you find the perfect sewing companion for all your creative projects at home. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. We at Top Home Finds truly appreciate your time and support. Don't forget to check the links in the description below if you're interested in any of the machines we covered today. Whatever your choice may be, we wish you all the very best on your creative journey. May every stitch you make bring you joy and success for you and your family. We'll see you next time for more of the best home gear reviews. Happy sewing and see you in the next one.